There are some remedies for teeth pain relief. Somewhere between the age of 17 and 25, these teeth begin to move up through your jawbone on the journey to break through your gum line and become part of your chewing mechanism. Your gums may become inflamed, the affected area may bleed, and you may experience ongoing headaches or tooth pain. Here are 10 remedies to help you find relief from wisdom teeth pain. Number 1. Salt water rinse. One of the most popular remedies for toothache is a salt water rinse. Rinsing your gums with warm water and dissolved sodium chloride, salt, has been to promote healthy gums and kill harmful bacteria. Wisdom teeth can sometimes hurt your other teeth or create cysts when they erupt through your gums. So keeping your mouth clear of harmful bacteria is a good idea. Number 2. Peppermint. Peppermint leaves contain essential oils that can soothe pain and reduce inflammation. Try soaking a cotton ball in peppermint extract before applying it to painful gums, or rubbing the oil directly on your teeth. Peppermint tea can also be used as a mouth rinse after it has cooled down. Number 3. Clove oil. Cloves have been documented as an analgesic and toothache reliever. Lab studies reveal that clove oil is especially potent at reducing pain. Cloves have the added benefit of fighting bacteria that can grow in your mouth and put you at risk for infection. You can purchase clove essential oil, or simply boil 4 to 6 whole cloves to make clove water, which you can then massage onto your painful gums. Number 4. Liquor. Bourbon, brandy, and whiskey are pain relievers because of the numbing qualities of distilled liquor. Rubbing whiskey or another strong liquor onto your wisdom teeth as they erupt to the surface of your gum might help dull pain receptors, easing your discomfort. Number 5. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is generally non-toxic and can be used to soothe and reduce inflammation around the area your wisdom teeth are trying to grow in. It also helps to heal your gums if they become scratched or cut while your teeth grow in. You can apply pure aloe vera gel to the back of your mouth, and it will cool the area down for temporary pain relief. Number 6. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a powerful antibacterial agent proven to kill bacteria in your mouth. But this remedy is so potent, it should never be applied directly to your teeth. Diluting tea tree oil with coconut oil, another antibacterial, and applying it to your inflamed gums could kill bacteria on your gum line. Tea tree oil shouldn't be swallowed, so make sure you rinse and spit out any residue immediately after this treatment. Number 7. Crushed garlic and ginger. Crushed garlic was found to be one of the most effective killers of pathogens that invade and infect the gum line. Researchers were surprised when combining garlic with crushed ginger into a paste made garlic even more effective. You can crush raw garlic into a paste-like consistency before adding fresh, chopped ginger and applying the paste to your gums. Number 8. Aspirin. The aspirin that you take to relieve severe headaches may also help relieve your wisdom teeth pain. A recent study showed that aspirin is an effective pain-dulling agent for people experiencing discomfort in their mouth. Pay close attention to the label and don't take more than the recommended dose of any kind of aspirin. Don't pop aspirin continually for any sort of pain relief without supervision from a dentist or doctor. Number 9. Menthol. Menthol is a natural analgesic, and brings a cooling sensation to your skin when you touch it. If you want to use menthol as a remedy for your wisdom teeth pain, dilute a mouthwash that contains alcohol, peppermint flavor, and menthol before applying it directly to the affected area. Number 10. Turmeric. Turmeric has been used for centuries as a spice and as a natural remedy for stomach pain. The analgesic and anti-inflammatory qualities of turmeric give it tremendous potential as a toothache remedy. One source recommends rubbing crushed turmeric directly on inflamed gums, or rinsing your mouth with water that's been boiled with 5 grams of turmeric and 2 cloves. If this video is helpful for you, like, share the videos, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.